Hey everyone.
Hey guys. Many of you in the practice of getting to know our new injector, Kimberly Rowley.
Hi.
And Kimberly, you've been killing it lately.
Thank you.
We've really been injecting side by side for almost a year now.
Loving every second.
Yeah, and so we've had this cool model program where we've been looking for patient models. And Kimberly, I think you've done maybe over 50 patients.
Yeah, it has. It's been over 50, and we've been doing a lot of different treatments.
The patients have really been liking it. We've gotten a lot of great feedback.
Being a patient model here with Dr. Mabrie and Kimberly was a good experience. I felt comfortable. Kimberly was very knowledgeable.
And I've been absolutely thrilled with my results.
I love how natural it turned out. I feel wonderful. My face looks great.
The lips are amazing. They look so natural. I love my jawline, my cheeks. I mean, really everything.
I can walk with such confidence and power and feel as if I can take any picture at any time and nail it.
It was a very easy process and I love my results.
Looking forward to getting more treatment and looking even more gorgeous.
I love it. I'm very satisfied.
I'm looking forward to seeing her again.
And I wouldn't let anybody else touch my face.
Honestly, she has the softest hands ever. I'm not lying to you guys.
The modeling program is ongoing, so tell your friends, and we'd love to have you coming in soon.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, guys. Well, until then, thanks so much, and
Stay tuned.
and stay beautiful.